All right, welcome back. Part 5, air checking this input housing. Clean this up a little bit, get some of this fluid off of here. I probably shouldn't be using my bare hands in all this fluid, but it just makes it so much easier to do stuff with slippery transmission fluid rather than gloves. So if I did it for a living, I'd probably try and wear gloves a little bit more. But a couple weeks of this ain't gonna hurt me, hopefully. Fingers crossed. All right, so air checking this thing. There's these holes on these. That's where we're gonna be air checking from. So I'm gonna turn it like that so you guys can halfway see. Got my air compressor at like 40 PSI, and we're just gonna this darn fitting. I'll try and keep that from doing that, but that one's holding good. Sounds like it's leaking, but it's just this darn thing is worn out. I need to get a new one. If I keep it squeezed. Those are good. Check this one. Oh yeah, I got to plug. There's another hole over here that you got to plug when you check this one. Everything seems to be working good. That just blew me right in my face. Guess I didn't even check that one. Hopefully you guys can. I think it's good. Yeah, it's good. Just leaking out the tip and where my finger's at. So, cool. All right, air check is good. We will move on to the, put this up here.